Here's the updated script. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypt Basics. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA on Bybit for added security. First, open the Bybit app and log into your account. On the main homepage, tap on your profile icon in the top left. From the menu, select Security. Scroll down and click Enable Google 2FA. You'll receive a verification code via email. Enter that into the app. Afterward, install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Play Store. Then tap Continue. Next, copy the key displayed on Bybit and paste it into Google Authenticator by tapping the plus sign and selecting Enter Setup Key. Add the account and you'll see a 6-digit code for Bybit. Now, go back to Bybit, tap Next, and input the code from Google Authenticator. Hit Get Code to retrieve the 2FA code again, then enter it to complete the process. You've successfully enabled 2FA. Now, whenever you log in or perform transactions on Bybit, you'll need to use the Google Authenticator code for extra protection. If this video helped, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.